I've written tens of thousands of recipes over the years, but I think my chicken piccata happens to be incredibly delicious, and I want to share it with you right now. Okay, so we have 2 large chicken breasts on a plate right here that are cut through the equator. I prefer to do this more of a chicken cutlet style than actually pounding it thin. We have a little bit of flour on a plate right here, and then we also have 4 eggs. And we're going to start off with just taking our eggs. We're going to evenly whisk these together, making sure that it's nice and folded in. Then we're going to take our flour, we're going to season this, a little bit of kosher salt, fresh cracked pepper. We're going to take a little fork and just kind of mush it all together. We're going to take our saute pan here, right? Our beautiful, large, extra large NanoBond saute pan. We're going to add a fair amount of olive oil to this. All right, now a really good point, right? Because when you're cooking dinner, the phone will ring, your children will need something. I think having one good clean hand in the middle of dredging chicken, I think is really important. So try not to jump in with both. Just keep one hand clean and then one hand dirty. We're gonna go into our eggs here. We're gonna let the excess egg drip back into the bowl, and then we're gonna go drop it right in. Perfect. All right, so guys, we're gonna take our chicken out. All right, we're gonna let it rest on our pan here. So we're gonna start off with 6 slices, paper thin slices of lemon. And then we're gonna add slivers of fresh garlic, and then also fresh thyme. All right, now we're gonna squeeze a lemon juice. White wine. And chicken stock. All right, so we're gonna add our capers in, and we're also gonna add our shallots into this too. Okay, we're gonna take our simmer. All right, we're gonna turn this down even lower. All right, because we wanna turn the butter back into almost a creamy, super creamy texture. This is unsalted butter, because we got plenty of salt in here, okay? And then we're gonna add a little bit of like nice, bright, fresh color to this, beautiful parsley right at the very end. So now, work very, very carefully, because the crust on the outside of the chicken is soft, and you want that. So we're gonna move over to a spatula, and we're just gonna very, very carefully just drop our chicken into this luscious piccata sauce. And then we're just gonna let this kind of hang out. We're gonna finish our beautiful pasta. So NanoBond cookware is built for life. This will be the last set of cookware you'll ever need to invest in, because it is 400 times stronger than stainless steel. This is the cookware that we use in all of our restaurants, and it's the cookware that I use at home.